If you view cows as steaks and hamburgers, if you look at a chicken but can only think of a bucket of wings, you are guilty of commodifying animals. You've been brainwashed with the propaganda to think that billions of beings who have their heads chopped off and their bodies sliced up into pieces enjoy the process. Recently, the meat industry has taken the commodification verbiage to a new height. Its CEO, Kenneth Sullivan, referred to a pig slaughterhouse in South Dakota as a protein plant. A slaughterhouse is a place where terrified animals going alive have their heads chopped off and their bodies sliced up so people can eat their flesh. He referred to this killing factory as a protein plant. I wonder if he were in charge of the Michigan State University investigation into pedophile Larry Nassar. Would he have referred to Nassar's office, the place where he abused and raped and violated hundreds of little girls? Would he have called this place a sperm receptacle saloon? How about a sex toy shop?